know, it looks so clear, but it's so cold.
Next person.
We're Brian and Megan.
We're an average American couple who loves to travel and explore.
Welcome to our average wild experience.
What's going on, guys? We are in Tennessee. Not for a vacation. We're home. Our first exploration since we moved here. We are going to a bunch of falls today. Busby's Falls.
Machine Falls. And I think Adams Falls is the third one. There's three.
Yeah.
So, quick little hike through the woods with Luna, as always. She's excited. We're at Short Springs Nature Area, give or take. I think I messed up the name a little bit, but it's fine. It seriously feels like May in Pennsylvania, but we are in March in Tennessee.
No, it looks so clear, but it's so cold. Doesn't stop Luna though. Luna is adamant that we throw a stick in the water for her. And we told her that we didn't have a stick. So she said she'd get one. And this is the result of that conversation. Last look at the falls before we head back up.
And find new falls.
Our goal for the year is to hike 50 hikes. We are currently on hike number 18. Megan crossed off a bunch of those and then took me along the last day in Tahoe. So that really got us a big jump start to the year. But I think we should be on track with all the vacations we booked. Going to Montana. We're going to Colorado. We're going to Kentucky. Alabama. Of course, Tennessee, that's where we're at right now. Great old home state. Tennessee. And next weekend, we're going to Florida.
Probably do a hike down.
So it's deeper than we had realized.
Next person.
Machine Falls. We passed Luna up, and now we're here. We have left Machine Falls. We're headed back to the truck.
Pretty good little hike. There's lots of ways to make this hike very long, or you can go right to the falls. So,
If you come to Machine Falls, do it early in the day and not on a Sunday, beautiful Sunday afternoon, because it is packed. But eventually it thinned out and Megan was able to get some beautiful pictures, and we put Luna up there and it was a lot of fun.
that's good.
But we're headed back to the truck now, and we'll call this a very successful first hike in Tennessee. So we're looking forward to exploring a lot more. This is about an hour south of Murfreesboro. We're looking to explore a lot and a lot of new places around here and see where we can find cool little spots. But yeah, it was a good time.